Hey guys, welcome back to the Automotive Stable, here with another video. An exciting one that I've told you about in one of my previous videos. It's about modification that I'm going to be getting done to my Mercedes, steering wheel in particular. Whipwrkz is a mobile company, the first in the UK, who specialise in interior customizations to any cars. I wanted a custom steering wheel. I've been looking at custom steering wheels for my Mercedes AMG line. A little bit more on the pricey side. You're looking at a couple of grand. You know, one of the nice carbon fiber finished ones. For now, this was the best option for me to get a custom steering cover installed by Whipwrkz. That's what's going to be happening today. One of the guys from Whipwrkz, his name is Sway, he's going to be coming down. He's going to be working on the car. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys the whole process because obviously the guy who's working on here from Whipwrkz, they have their own commitments, and obviously they want to showcase it first on their platforms, which I totally respect. So I'll give you guys as much as I can. If not, I'll show you this before and after the finished process. We'll go for a little drive as well, see how it feels. Looking forward to this one, so stay tuned until the end of this video because we might be stopping by Weather Holds Up, Roman's dealership, and I believe they have a couple of Aventadors in stock. Guys, please like and subscribe to this channel, support this channel. I'm very passionate about cars, I'm very passionate about filming, production. Really want to build a community here. My goal is to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Keep giving me suggestions, leave comments what you want me to do, subscribe and help me reach the 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. All right, let's get to the video. It's nearly done. So it's not completely done yet, it'll be done in a little bit. Just had it out for a break and it's ready. It's looking banging. This is gonna totally transform the way it feels to drive this car. It already felt amazing. This is gonna be 10 times, 100 times better, and it just looks sick. You can see the top, the dark red 12 o'clock stripe, the carbon fiber effect, and the smooth leather on the side. So he's been doing it for about, I think, what, nearly 3 hours now. That's the main thing. You want the finished product good. You want them to take their time with the work, and that's exactly what they're doing. And the finish, obviously, like I said, finish is amazing. Here it is, the finished product. How amazing does this steering look? Let me look at the dark red 12 o'clock racing drive with my red paddle shifters, my needles, you know, lit up in red, the beautiful carbon fiber at the bottom and top. So when it comes to custom steering covers by Whipwrkz, you have an extensive choice. So basically you customize your own unique wheel. That includes, you know, the material you're going to use, the color of the stitching that you're going to use, the color of the, if you want a 12 o'clock racing stripe, you can choose a color for that. And the best thing about this, all of these materials are genuine. So you can choose from Alcantara, you can choose from perforated leather, you can choose from smooth leather. They have carbon fiber vinyl, and you can just mix and match and create your dream steering wheel and not having to spend thousands of pounds just to making the car feel like the way you want to make it feel like. So now I'm going to chuck on the GoPro, take you lot for a drive, give you a POV of how it actually feels having this steering cover installed in your car and how it changes the way your car feels on the road and the way you just connect with the car and the whole driving experience. So let's get on with the drive. Weather's atrocious, but that's not going to stop us from feeling itchy steering. You know, just by touching it, you know, just touching the steering, it feels amazing. The smooth leather is the best part for me. I was actually gonna get smooth leather all around, but you know, me and my brother were talking about it, and he said if we're gonna get this done, then might as well get some carbon, make it, you know, fit in with the whole stealth look of my car. You can tell it's real leather. It's not one of those faux leather. Mercedes normally in the AMG lines they put faux leather. Right now we're in comfort mode. Normally when I'm in comfort mode, I'll probably be just holding the steering here or just cruising along with my hand here at the top. Even when I'm holding the steering here at the top with carbon fiber vinyl, it feels very smooth and very nice. It's still grippy. I thought this is not going to have any grip, but it still has a lot of grip. Obviously not like Alcantara. If you opted for the Alcantara option, that will give you, you know, a lot more grip. But for myself, my seats have Alcantara in this car, but I didn't want to go for the Alcantara on the steering. Or over time, obviously Alcantara wears out. But the sides, when you touch the smooth leather here on the sides, when you're gripping it, it feels so nice and soft to hold, and plus you feel that you do have that grip and control over your car. These covers don't add any thickness. That was my main concern, whether it's going to make my steering thick, because the AMG line steering is quite thick anyway. I didn't want them to add any artificial kind of thickness to it. It's because it's genuine and premium materials. They're very thin, so they just go on and feel like the OEM steering. You know, I'm gonna take them to the dual carriageway here now. You know, hit a bit of speed. Yes, mate. S5. See that exhaust? Bring on my Audi. Okay. So let me change the settings. So I'm gonna put it into Sport Plus. Once I put it into Sport Plus, it really, first of all, it starts to rev a lot higher. Suspension gets stiffer, the steering gets harder. This is Romans, by the way. We might have a stopover on the way back. Oh, my dream car's gone. Anyway, if you look at it, it's also about the feel, but it's also about the way it looks. Just look at how perfect and beautiful it looks. The carbon just fits in with the Mercedes interior so well. And I mean, to be honest, with the combinations that you can go with, the combinations that you can have, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make it work with any car that you have. When the car is parked from the outside, when someone's walking past and when you're walking in, you can see the red 12 o'clock stripe, and it just looks amazing. It gives it that sporty, stealthy look. Okay, so I'm gonna do a U-turn here, jump on the dual carriageway, and then I'm gonna put the car into Sport Plus and get the real feel for how the car drives with this new steering upgrade. Okay, so we're gonna put it into Sport Plus. That's Sport Plus. You know, I can't get the smile on my face when I'm holding the steering like this, and I've got both the paddle shifters in my fingers, and I'm gripping the steering this way. This steering feels amazing. Put my foot down a bit. Manual shifting. Gonna make a U-turn here quickly. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Just gonna pull up here. This is Romans. This right here is the dream. That's the Aventador S. You know, the Lamborghini Aventador, the original Lamborghini Aventador has been my dream car, you know, for a very long time. You know, one day, inshallah. So this is the Porsche Taycan, the only electric car up until now that has grabbed my attention, but I'm not too sure about the red on red. Just look at the size of those carbon ceramics and the brake calipers. Crazy. The Porsche 911 Carrera S, I absolutely love what they've done with the tail lights on these Porsches. The new one, all of them, they look very futuristic, very big at the wide. Those two over there are Bossman cars. The Range Rover Sport SVR and the Rolls Royce Cullinan. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's a very, very, very special McLaren Senna. Beautiful, beautiful 812. Just look at that. And right next to it, Bugatti Veyron. And right next to that, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in this beautiful purple. And next to that, another Aventador SVJ in white. I just can't stop looking at this. Just look at the width, and look at the width of the tires, the rear. This car's just perfect. Tell me another car that looks better. Scissor doors. Tell me a better looking car. Every angle of this car is amazing. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, support the channel. Like I said, I'm on the road to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Help me get there, help me build a community. You know, I have a lot of videos and content to put out to you guys. Also, guys, do check out Whipwrkz. I'll leave the details in the description below. Their Instagram is @Whipwrkz. DM them with any questions or queries that you might have, any orders that you want to place, or about any of their materials that they're using. I'm pretty sure they'll get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, here's me logging out. Bye-bye.